welcome back to my channel. I'm Widya Fitriani, and today video we are going to discuss an important topic in international business, which is legal, technological, accounting, and political environment. So in global business, companies don't operate alone. They are always influenced by internal environment. Let's discuss them one by one. In international business, companies do not operate in isolation, but they are influenced by various external environment that shapes their strategies and operation. Nah, this environment include legal, technological, accounting, and political factors, which are very important in determining how business operate across different countries. Understanding this environment is essential karena bisa membantu companies reduce risks, adapt to change, and remain competitive in the global market. First, let's talk about the legal environment. The legal environment refers to the system of laws and regulations that govern business activities in a country. Artinya, semua aktivitas bisnis seperti kontrak, labor rules, taxation, and operation itu diatur oleh hukum yang berlaku. In international business, companies must deal with different legal systems which can vary significantly between countries. So, understanding legal system is very important supaya companies bisa avoid conflict and legal risks. Types of legal system. There are several types of legal system in the world. One, common law, which is based on court decision and precedent. Two, civil law, which is based on written code and status. Three, religious law, which is based on religious principle. Four, mixed system, which combine different legal tradition. Nah, perbedaan sistem hukum ini bisa mempengaruhi cara perusahaan beroperasi di tiap negara. The importance of legal environment. The legal environment provides structure and stability for business operation. It protects the rights of companies and individuals, ensure fair competition, and reduce uncertainty. However, difference in law across countries can also create challenge seperti compliance cost yang tinggi dan risiko hukum. That's why companies must carefully study local regulation before entering international market. Technological environment. Next, we move to the technological environment. The technological environment refers to the level of technological development and innovation in a country. Ini termasuk infrastruktur, communication system, and availability of advanced technology. Technology play a key role in improving efficiency, reducing costs, and enabling global communication. Impact of technology on business. Technology has transformed how business operates. For example, companies can communicate quickly across countries, improve production process, and access global market through digital platforms. But at the same time, report technological change also creates challenge. Companies harus terus adaptation karena kalau tidak mereka bisa tertinggal karena kompetitor. Now let's talk about the accounting environment. The accounting environment refers to the system of financial reporting and accounting standard used in a country. It determines how companies record, measure, and report financial information. However, different countries may use different accounting standard, which can create challenge for multinational companies. Importance of accounting environment. A strong accounting environment ensure transparency and reliability in financial reporting. Ini sangat penting untuk investor, governments, and stakeholder lainnya. However, difference in accounting standard can make it difficult to compare financial statement across countries. That's why many companies adopt international standard to improve consistency. Next, we discuss the political environment. The political environment refers to government policies, political stability, and the overall political system of a country. It affects business decisions such as investment, expansion, and operation. Political condition can either support or hinder business activities. Impact of political environment. Political factors have a strong impact on international business. Government policies relate to taxes, trade, and regulation can influence business performance. In addition, political instability seperti konflik atau perubahan kebijakan yang tiba-tiba bisa meningkatkan risiko bagi perusahaan. That's why companies must carefully analyze political condition before entering a market. Conclusion. So from all of this explanation, we can conclude the legal, technological, accounting, and political environment are key and external factor in international business. Each of these environment presents both opportunities and challenges. Companies that are able to understand and adapt to this environment are more likely to success in the global market. Therefore, analyzing external environment is a very important part of strategic decision making. Alright everyone, that's all for today. Decision about legal, technological, accounting, and political environment. I hope this video helps you better understand how external factors influence global business. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and thank you so much for watching. And video Fitriani, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.